Okay, hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you a nice tool that I found today because I'm working on a project, on a website project that I need to compress images for. But I'm fucking lazy and I don't want to open up Photoshop and save every file manually. You know how to do that shit. So I found this nice library. I think it's called a library. So this npm library called compress-images, and it's going to compress the images as you want. So what you need to do is to make a new folder, a blank folder, and run npm install compress-images --save-dev. So I did this. I'm going to minimize this real quick. There we go. And so I did npm install compress-images. I already did this. So it should not take too long. There we go. Okay. So then I made a couple folders just to show you, and then you need to make one more JavaScript file. I called it compress.js. Sorry about the dog in the background. So I'm going to basically require compress-images, then input and output. So these are just my variables. Into the input variable, I'm going to put the input folder, and then every file that has any of these extensions, I'm going to tell them to compress. And then output it's just going to be output. Then I'm going to call compress-images, so with the input parameter, the output parameter, and then some other parameters. And I'm going to use these engines for JPEG, PNG, SVG, and GIFs. So I'm going to use these engines with these parameters. I just copy and paste. I just copied and pasted from the GitHub site. See, example 1, compress images with all the engines and all that stuff. If you do not like these, you can use any method you want. So if you're not happy with, I don't know, WebP, you can use ImageMagick or JPEG Recompress or whatever. So that's good. So I'm going to download an image. So input, I'm going to download an image to show you. I'm going to download this one. This is a picture of me that is on the website. This is the first image that came to mind. So to show you that this is a legit image and I'm not cheating in any way, I'm just going to do a quick wget to download the file. Even though my internet connection is pretty crappy. I'm in the ass of France. Yeah. I don't know how to say that in English. Anyway, so there we go into the impulse folder. I have p.jpg. I'm just going to go back into the root directory of the project, kinda, and I'm going to run node. Obviously you're going to need node, nodejs.org. I just use the LTS version, so node compress.jpg. It's going to compress the file. See, it told me from input p.jpg to output p.jpg. It used was JPEG because this is what I set into the compress.js file. The file was 462 kilobytes and it's now 228. I saved 50% of the file, which is fucking amazing. Apparently the person who made this library is Russian, Tamara Semina. Yeah. So thank you very much for making this tool. You can donate her money if you want. Anyway. And so if you go into the output folder, you have your result. So I'm going to open it in preview. If preview wants to open, there we go. And as you can see, the image, it is pixelated, but if you just take a quick look right here, you can see a lot of difference. You can just tweak and play with the settings of the file of the tool, as you can see here. So instead, if you don't want 60 to be the quality, you can do anything you want. This is why I love this tool. And that's it. Thank you for watching. The GitHub link will be into the description, as usual. Where is it? Boom. Boom. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Yeah, bye.